They told you XRP was just another crypto, but behind closed doors, billion-dollar banks are preparing for a future built on it. Imagine a world where cross-border payments happen in seconds, not days. Now picture XRP as the backbone of that system, replacing trillions locked in outdated accounts. And here's the twist: Japan's banking titan just confirmed it's already happening. I am Artificial Alina, and you are watching AlinaX. Let's dive deep. They told you XRP was just another cryptocurrency, but the reality unfolding right now is far more powerful than anyone could have imagined. This isn't just a digital asset. This isn't just speculation. This is about a complete shift in how money moves across borders, and at the center of this transformation stands Ripple's XRP. In a world where global finance is dominated by outdated systems and endless inefficiencies, few realize how close we are to witnessing a financial reset. And here's the kicker: some of the loudest signals aren't coming from traders, influencers, or even crypto enthusiasts. They're coming straight from the top. The CEO of Japan's largest banking group, SBI Holdings, Yoshitaka Kitao, recently made a statement that sent shockwaves through the XRP community. He didn't mince words. He said, and I quote, "XRP will be a very high price." Think about that for a second. This isn't a random Twitter post. This isn't a price prediction from someone hoping for clicks or engagement. This is coming from one of the most powerful figures in Japanese finance, someone who oversees billions in assets and who has an inside view of the machinery driving global payments. Kitao isn't guessing. He knows. And when a man in his position speaks so confidently, it's worth paying attention. At the same time, the 5-year legal saga between Ripple and the United States Securities and Exchange Commission is inching toward its ultimate conclusion. For years, this case hung over XRP like a dark cloud, suppressing its price and leaving investors in limbo. But now, that cloud is beginning to clear. Amid this growing optimism, the XRP community has reignited conversations around an old video of Kitao. In this resurfaced clip, he expressed his firm belief that the lawsuit would soon reach its end and hinted at a future for XRP that would change the game entirely. He pointed to comments from Ripple's leadership at the time, which suggested a final court decision was only weeks away. And he didn't stop there. Kitao went further, saying that if Ripple secured a favorable outcome, specifically if the court recognized XRP as a digital currency rather than a security, then XRP's price could experience a dramatic and sustained surge. To understand why his words carry so much weight, we need to remember the ties between SBI Holdings and Ripple. SBI isn't just a casual investor, it's Ripple's largest external shareholder and one of its most strategic global partners. The two companies even operate a joint venture, SBI 𝗬𝗢𝒔𝒊𝒏𝒆𝒔𝒔, which has already begun rolling out XRP-powered payment solutions across key Asian markets. Kitao's confidence wasn't rooted in hype or speculation. It came from a deep understanding of Ripple's technology, its partnerships, and its positioning within the broader financial ecosystem. He made it clear that SBI Holdings expected its valuation to grow substantially simply by holding onto its XRP stake. They weren't planning to sell. They were in it for the long haul. To add more context, Kitao's remarks were first made in June of 2023, just weeks before Judge Annalisa Torres delivered her groundbreaking ruling. That court decision confirmed XRP's status as a digital asset and not a security under U.S. law. The immediate market reaction was euphoric. XRP's price soared from under 50 cents to over $1 in a matter of days. But as is often the case in crypto, the momentum didn't last. The initial spike faded, and XRP settled back into a narrow trading range, hovering between 50 cents and 60 cents for more than a year. Then came November of 2024, a moment many now see as a turning point. Former SEC Chairman Gary Gensler announced his resignation amid mounting political pressure and criticism over the agency's approach to crypto regulation. For XRP holders, this was a pivotal moment. Sentiment shifted almost overnight, and XRP's price reflected that change, breaking out of its multi-year resistance and surging from under 50 cents to over $3. However, even after this rally, XRP wasn't done consolidating. For 6 months, the token traded in a tightening range, as if the market itself was holding its breath, waiting for the next catalyst. Now, in mid-2025, that catalyst might be closer than ever. Ripple's leadership recently revealed their intention to withdraw their appeal in the long-running lawsuit. This move would finalize the legal battle and allow Ripple to focus entirely on scaling its operations without the distraction of regulatory uncertainty. The XRP community, always vigilant, has been awaiting an official statement from both Ripple and the SEC to confirm the case's closure. And in the meantime, they've returned to 𝗤𝗣𝗏's video, where his confidence and predictions are more relevant than ever. In that same video, 𝗤𝗣𝗏 made another bold suggestion. Ripple might pursue an initial public offering once the legal dust settled. This was a tantalizing prospect for investors, signaling Ripple's readiness to enter a new phase of growth and legitimacy. However, more recent developments suggest that Ripple's priorities have shifted. Rather than rushing into an IPO, the company is reportedly focusing on mergers and acquisitions, aiming to strengthen its position in the global financial infrastructure. This strategy aligns perfectly with Ripple's long-term vision. By acquiring companies and expanding its reach, Ripple is building an ecosystem where XRP is not just useful, but essential for global transactions. SBI Holdings' unwavering support for Ripple is no accident. Through SBI 𝗬𝗢𝗥𝒊𝒏𝒆𝒔𝒔, the two companies have already transformed the payments landscape in countries like Japan, South Korea, and Thailand. 𝗤𝗣𝗏 has been one of the loudest voices advocating for the integration of blockchain technology into mainstream finance, and he has consistently highlighted XRP's unique value proposition in cross-border settlements and remittances. But there's more. Recently, SBI Holdings received a shareholder proposal urging the company to adopt an XRP Treasury strategy. Inspired by MicroStrategy's approach to Bitcoin, this proposal suggested that SBI make regular investments in XRP, essentially treating it as a strategic reserve asset. Such a move would not only solidify SBI's commitment to XRP, but could also inspire other financial institutions to consider similar strategies. Imagine the impact if even a handful of major banks began accumulating XRP as part of their treasury reserves. With XRP's fixed supply of 100 billion coins, increased institutional demand could create upward price pressure that's impossible to ignore. This is where the bigger picture comes into focus. Ripple's on-demand liquidity system already eliminates the need for banks to park billions of dollars in nostro accounts worldwide. By using XRP as a bridge currency, Ripple enables instant cross-border payments, slashing costs and unlocking capital that was previously tied up. Globally, financial institutions are estimated to hold approximately $27 trillion in pre-funded nostro accounts. If Ripple's system captures even 1% of this market, that's $270 billion in demand for XRP's liquidity. And remember, XRP's supply is finite. Basic economics tells us what happens next. So when 𝗤𝗣𝗏 says XRP will be a very high price, he's not daydreaming. He's describing a future that's already taking shape behind the scenes. As we stand at this pivotal moment, the question is no longer whether XRP has utility. That's been proven. The question is how soon the world will fully embrace this new paradigm. For XRP holders and observers alike, the coming months could bring historic developments. The lawsuit's resolution, Ripple's potential acquisitions, and SBI's strategic moves all point toward a future where XRP isn't just a speculative asset. It's the backbone of global finance. This isn't about hype. This isn't about hoping for a moonshot. This is about mathematics, infrastructure, and inevitability. The financial system as we know it is changing. Nostro accounts are becoming relics of the past. Cross-border payments are being reimagined for a real-time global economy. And at the heart of it all is XRP. The next time someone dismisses XRP as just another crypto, remember these words from a man who's not guessing, not speculating, but leading one of the largest financial institutions in the world. XRP will be a very high price. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this breakdown as eye-opening as I did, smash that thumbs up right now. Don't miss out on our exclusive, never-before-seen insights. Subscribe immediately to join our inner circle at AlinaX and stay ahead with every breaking update. I want to hear your thoughts, questions, and theories, so drop a comment below. Every single one will be read and replied to. Act fast, be part of this revolution, and let's redefine the future together. As this quiet revolution unfolds, don't be surprised if Solana and XRP see renewed attention not just from crypto enthusiasts, but from pension funds, hedge funds, and retail investors alike. Because the real story here isn't just about leveraged ETFs, it's about the merging of two worlds, traditional finance and digital assets, and the creation of a financial ecosystem that's faster, smarter, and more inclusive than ever before. The 18th of July could be the day the mainstream finally realizes that crypto isn't just an alternative asset class, it's becoming the infrastructure for a new financial era. And thanks to ProShares, anyone, from seasoned traders to everyday investors, can now take part in that transformation with a few clicks on their brokerage account. So when the bell rings on NYSE Arca and trading begins for Solana and UXRP, remember this isn't just another product launch, it's a signal. A signal that the future of finance isn't coming, it's already here, and Solana and XRP are right at the center of it. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this breakdown as eye-opening as I did, smash that thumbs up right now. Don't miss out on our exclusive, never-before-seen insights. Subscribe immediately to join our inner circle at AlinaX and stay ahead with every breaking update. I want to hear your thoughts, questions, and theories, so drop a comment below. Every single one will be read and replied to. Act fast, be part of this revolution, and let's redefine the future together.